New Braunfels, Texas. Strange and unexpected visitors.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Sarasota, Florida. Check this guy out. Vallejo, California. Check out Granny in a red shirt. She's up to something.
I'm trying to put this in your mailbox. It was laying on the street.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Looked like you was trying to take my mail. Hey, get lost! San Diego, California. Check this guy out. His eyes look pretty tweaky. Check out that jaw. Yeah, he's definitely tweaking. Garfield, New Jersey. A pickup truck turns the wrong way on a one-way street. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile in New Braunfels. What would you do if any of these people came to your house? Make sure you leave your comments below.
The police are on their way. What do you want?
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Can somebody translate this?
No, si yo no te he hecho nada, ¿qué te pasa?
¿Qué pasa, güey?
Yo no te he hecho nada.
¿Qué te pasa, marica?
Yo no te he hecho
¿Qué
nada.
te pasa, mamá, güey?
Yo no te he hecho nada.
¿Por qué te
Déjame en
metes,
paz,
cara?
¿ah? Déjame en paz. Hello. 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 Please. Yo no he hecho nada, pana. Por favor.
No te metas con la gente mía.
Pana, yo no me he metido con nadie. Sí, yo no me ando gustando. Disculpame, pa, yo no he hecho nada. Wow. Señor pastor, por Dios. Mira, mira. I'm sorry, I'm trying to attack you. What's wrong?
Detroit, Michigan. Check this guy out. Meanwhile in New Braunfels.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh. Morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, how can I help you? Morning. How can I help you?
Chicago, Illinois. Better be careful. These guys are driving on the sidewalk. Arlington, Texas. Was this guy got his face painted or something?
I would like to have at least a cubicle to live in.
Cresskill, New Jersey. Kansas City, Missouri. What does she want? It's 4:30 a.m., lady, and I don't know you.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Probably should go inside the house, not go outside, but that's just me.
That was close.
It's Aiden's friend.
Who?
I don't know you, lady.
No. You're looking from what?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Sorry. Alright.
Independence, Missouri. A neighbor takes his dog out and notices somebody creeping on the side of his house. Let's see what happens.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you walking through my garage for?
Because they try to take everything from our bodies like that.
Police.
Why?
Avenue Northwest.
My pine cone this side. I come over to pay my pine cone this side.
No, I'm at Walmart.
No, don't do that right now.
At my house, and she will not leave.
Meanwhile, in San Diego, this guy's still outside somebody's house tweaking.
I'm calling the cops.
My dog ran out. I wanted to know if you guys just ran up the street.
South Kent, Connecticut. We got another unexpected visitor.
We got paperwork going. Do you understand that? I want my dish.
No, I don't.
Right. You know,
Meanwhile, in Detroit, there's a raccoon in your trash can.
I'm calling the cops.
No, you're not. This is Speaker Erie decapitated. It's me, Ruben Jr. and Gil. I just moved the street. I'm the Illuminati. That's for this my social 6230.
You. You goddamn you. You. Lock the door. Kiss my bitch. Who in the
Hello.
Meanwhile, in New Braunfels,
Hello. Sí. Hi, good morning. You need something? No sé qué necesitas.
She is white.
somebody else could steal from me. Is that what you're talking about?
I would say in her 60s.
That could be 35, you know.
A white rain jacket and a green shirt.
meanwhile in Kansas City, it's 4:30 in the morning, and I'm not expecting you, lady. Get lost!
So, we're not on your time. You're on your time, you're on my time. We can sit here for 8 hours if I want.
Okay, let's sit here for 8 hours, dog. Pick it up or something. I don't know. Do something, Mr. Big Dog, Mr. Police. Like, what the fuck do you think you're talking to? My lawyer will spank this whole shit out.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come on, you got in the back of the police car. I'm tired of talking.
This is bullshit.
Alright,
man.
let's go. Stand up. Stand up. You want to get resisting arrest along with it?
Can I pick my head up?
I said what?
What you say? I get my head.
Make sure you thumbs up the video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.